Nook GlowLight 4. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to update Nook GlowLight 4. The process is simple and easy. You just have to follow my steps. You have two options. The number one is automatic update. For that, tap settings in the Nook navigation menu. Here, scroll to the bottom and tap software. Once found, you can see check for system update option here. Tap on it. If an update is available, it will download an instant automatically. Now the second option is manual update or side loading. First, charge your Nook to at least 20%. Then connect your Nook to your computer via USB cable. Once connected, navigate to the nook.com support website and find the software update for your device. Once found, download the update file to your computer and locate your Nook on your computer and drag the downloaded update file directly into the main root folder of the device, not in a specific folder. Safely eject your Nook from your computer and tap the power button to put the device in sleep mode. The update will begin in the next few minutes and you are all done. Thanks for watching. This is how you will be able to update your Nook GlowLight 4. Do not forget to like and subscribe.